Taylor, what do you have? Let me see. Come here. Come here. Let me see.
Mommy.
What do you have, Taylor?
Hey, help me.
I'll help you. Keep digging. Come here, Taylor. Taylor, let me see what you have.
Auntie Kay?
Yeah.
On Sunday, do you want to go to church?
Sure.
Hey, I have a new classroom.
Do you
and
really?
I know how to get there by myself.
Cool.
So, it's not my old one that you used to take me to. It's a new one. It's going to be my first Sunday. Go.
Let me see what's on your arm, Taylor. What do you have? Let me see.
It's the classroom I go to on Monday.
Let me see.
Serving Jesus everywhere. Oh yeah,
Wow. Taylor. Taylor,
I
wow.
learned a new song. Katie, it's only for girls.
Okay, hold on. Taylor, come back here.
Prince.
Taylor, come here. Do you want to dance?
I am a,
Okay, go, Taylor.
and we have a special song. It goes, I am
Dance.
a prince, kind and thoughtful. I will live a life that's pure. I am a prince, kind and thoughtful, serving Jesus everywhere. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what that would be. Standing outside with your mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were. I'm done with